doesn't love getting a 2-for-1 deal? Hi, I'm Angela Walters from Quilting is My Therapy, and my brand new machine quilting ruler, Dot, is like getting 2 amazing rulers in one. Quilt along the outside of Dot to create geometric designs, such as dot-to-dot designs, motifs, echo lines, and more. The needle stops on both sides of the ruler help you easily and quickly reposition it to create beautiful designs every time. Want a curvier look for your quilting? Quilt along the cutout to create curvy, pointy motifs, or just quilt along the point to create chevrons and border designs. The Creative Grid's grip on the back of the ruler help ensure it stays in place and doesn't slip. And the black and white reference lines ensure that you'll be able to see them no matter what color of fabric you're quilting on. And to help make quilting with Dot a snap, I put together a free downloadable PDF with step-by-step quilting diagrams to create some pretty amazing designs with this ruler. To download the PDF or to find out more about Dot, check the link in the description box below. Happy quilting!